Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your customer ID or username and the registered mobile number. This makes login smoother. Open the official SBI Internet Banking or YONO business page on a secure device. Do not use public Wi-Fi. Once done, enter your username in the login field and click Continue. Make sure your browser allows pop-ups and cookies so OTP prompts work. You should see a field for the password next, and your phone will be ready to receive the OTP. You now type your password. Watch for caps lock and alternate keyboard layouts because mistyped passwords lock accounts. Once you submit, the system sends an OTP to your registered mobile. Enter it immediately and confirm because OTPs expire quickly. If SBI prompts for a secure access code or profile password for transactions, input that is required. These extra steps protect sensitive actions like fund transfer. If you use YONO or the app, biometric login may be available. Use it only on your personal. You finish by reviewing the account dashboard and confirming any pending alerts. Always log out when done to protect your session. If OTP does not arrive, request a resend and check your mobile network and do not disturb settings. Sometimes SMS is blocked by carrier rules. If your account locks after multiple failed attempts, contact SBI customer support or visit your branch with valid ID to reset credentials. Keep the bank helpline number handy so you can resolve blocks quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.